called him as a guest of honor. Please put your hands together for Professor Jethanand Rahi.
I begin in the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. The mother of three great brothers, the great spouse and supporter of the great Parvez Bugyo, all the faculty members of Alpha, all the people who have made Alpha so great. First of all, let me confess, believe me, I have been in Canada for the last 3 years. I have attended many concerts, functions, I have visited theaters and everything. But trust me, what I have seen today and what I have been seeing, I attended a birthday celebration of great Parvez Bugyo. I was there. So Alpha always rocks, and Alpha has not been made in one day. There is a very long story behind this. I know about the great dad of these Bugyo brothers. I know how this great mom has struggled. I know how these brothers, all brothers, they have put in their heart and soul. I know they are very self-made men. I know this all. I know how difficult it is. I know what happens because fortunately I myself am also a very self-made man. And when I look at you, when I think of all those who have passed from Alpha, when I visualize and imagine where all those boys and girls are, I know they are in all parts of the world because many of them are in Canada also, and I know them. They are students of Mr. Imtiaz, Mr. Parvez. So when I look at you, I really feel proud. Why? I know you are a asset of Sindh. I know you are a asset of Pakistan. Trust me, I feel the future of Sindh, the future of Pakistan is very bright. Reason? The Bugyo brothers and all the faculty members of Alpha, they have not only taught English, they have only not taught these boys and girls how to speak English. I know they have motivated and inspired them. And when you inspire and motivate someone, she or he can move mountains. They can cross all the barriers of their lives and they could reach the sky. Trust me, they can go beyond the sky because sky is just an illusion. Sky is not a limit. Sky must be the beginning. There is a correction. I have taught at Pitaro for 35 years. I retired in 2012 as the professor of English and the vice principal of that military institution. And I feel very proud. How come they selected a poor boy of 25 years who was very poor, who came in very simple clothes and very simple shoes? Maybe those were borrowed from my friend Fayaz Ahmed. They selected me and I served there for 35 years. Everybody was saying, boy, don't go. How come they are going to select you? But they selected me. I served there and I feel very proud. I have taught there more than 5,000 students in the classroom, and outside the classroom maybe 10,000 and maybe more. So they all are my asset. But let me confess, and I'm not just, it's not these words. Let me confess what Parvez and his brothers and what the teachers of Alpha have done in these 10 years, that is more than what I have done in 35 years. After Pitaro, I served for 2 years at Hayat Girls College. There I was the professor of English and the director of studies too. I met there Parvez. believe you me, the moment I saw him, मुझे उससे इश्क हो गया. Why? अरे भाई इसलिए ये तो बंदा ही ऐसा है. ये बंदा थोड़ी है, ये पता नहीं क्या है. He is not a man. He is an ocean of love and knowledge. He is an ocean of inspiration and motivation. He can change your personality. He can take you to the sky, beyond the sky, and he can place you wherever you want to go. The better half of Mr. Parvez will agree that the love of my students at Hayat Girls College and the teachers and the faculty, you know, daughters are very dear. Daughters are very dear to their fathers. Sons are sons, but daughters are sweeter and dearer. Thank you so very much. All my prayers and best wishes with all of you, A to Z, all those who are absent even today. I want to salute this great mom who gave us these great brothers. I want to, खुदा की कसम जी चाहता है आप लोगों की सबकी पेशानी जो है उसको चूम लूं. ये आपने कोई फंक्शन ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं किया है. ये पता नहीं आपने क्या कर दिया है. I had tears in my eyes, believe you me, when that song of Tare Zameen Pe and that song by Mr. Asif Abdo, the good poet, I have been following him on the Facebook. His poetry and what he has written for Mr. Imtiaz Bhugyo, Pardes, you know, because I am also there in Pardes. So I know how one feels. I am there, but believe you me, my heart, my soul, my mind and my body is in Pakistan. It is in Hyderabad. It is in Sindh. It is in Pakistan. I miss this all and I cry there. Whenever I think of Hyderabad, the people of Hyderabad, my loved ones, my dear ones, who gave me all the love and respect in 62 years. I am there not with my own will. It is my children, especially my daughters, who forced me to go there. My sons, they said, you have to go. You know, in front of children, you are helpless. Thank you so very much. God bless you.